Every minute a ticket sits in your queue with no owner, your customer's frustration is growing, and you don't even know it's happening. Here's how to automatically catch and escalate unassigned tickets before they become a problem. Unassigned tickets don't announce themselves. They sit invisible until a customer complains or an SLA breach fires, and by then, the damage is already done. Customer frustration builds, your metrics take a hit, and your team looks unresponsive. All you need to get started is a Zendesk team plan or hire, admin access, and a clear idea of who should handle escalated tickets. No coding required and no third-party integrations needed. Triggers fire the moment something happens, but they can't check time-based conditions. Automations run every hour and can catch tickets that have been sitting too long, so you need both working together. Use an automation for the time threshold and a trigger to send the actual alert. Start by creating a dedicated group in Admin Center under People, then Groups. Name it something clear like Escalations Unassigned and add the people who should handle these tickets. This group becomes your visual flag and your notification target. Head to Admin Center, then Objects and Rules, Business Rules, and Automations. Click Add Automation and give it a name like Escalate Unassigned Tickets after 4 hours. This is the engine that runs every hour and catches what falls through the cracks. You need 4 conditions. The ticket has no assignee, it's been created more than 4 hours ago, it's still active, and it doesn't already have the escalation tag. That 4th condition is the key. It prevents the same ticket from escalating twice, which is called nullification. When the automation fires, 3 things happen. It adds the unassigned escalated tag to stop the loop. It moves the ticket to your escalation group, and it drops an internal note so agents know what happened. Without that tag, the same ticket would escalate every single hour. Now create a trigger that fires when the automation moves a ticket to your escalation group. It emails the group, optionally raises the priority, and can even post to Slack via webhook. This combo gives you real-time alerts without the overhead of running everything through automations. Once the basics are working, you can create separate automations for each priority level. Urgent tickets escalate after 1 hour, high priority after 2, normal after 4. Each automation checks its own priority and routes to the right group. When your escalation policies go beyond simple time thresholds, like escalate VIP billing disputes immediately, or skip escalation during known outages, eesel AI lets you write those rules in plain English. No extra automation chains to build or maintain. Set up your Zendesk escalation automation today, or let eesel AI handle context-aware escalation with no code at all. Try it free for 7 days at eesel.ai, no credit card required.